Okay, so we're going to take our lesson here in Google Slides, and we're going to click on add-ons and then go to our Nearpod. If this is the first time you're doing this, you'll just click through and sign in those steps. It'll bring a side window over here, all right, which will allow us to add different activities and various aspects into this lesson. Now, if it shows up and it looks like your Nearpod library, just close out and open it again, and you'll get a screen that looks like this. Okay, so since the topic is nutrition, one thing that I really like to do are find some videos. So there are several nutrition videos or health videos already in Nearpod, ready to go, or you can find any video on YouTube, okay, and one that I know for sure, just nutrition videos. Food and Nutrition Today, okay, looks good. I believe that's Veritasium, I like him, he's a good YouTuber, all right. Let's see, so, yeah, there's Dead Ed, is a good one. Okay, so just go through here, find one that you want. So let me just say, I think this one will probably meet our needs just as a really general topic. And as you can see, there's already these questions embedded in to this video, this lesson. So I can click. Is our food becoming less nutritious? And now that's going to pop up and have kids actually answer that question. Okay, you can trim the video. There's a lot of things you can do here, but for time sake, I'm just going to click save. I think that's going to be a good video to add as just kind of an introductory video. Okay, so now this is just added like a marker in my Google site. Now I can't actually watch any of that. I have to go through here. All right, and so right here now I'm going to say, okay, nutrients, substances the body needs, great. Okay, it's the 6 classes of nutrients. Now right here I'm going to probably say, all right, maybe not quiz. I'm going to add an open-ended question, and it's just going to be like a quick knowledge check. All right, so I'm just going to type in list the 6 classes of nutrients in alphabetical order. Okay, and so now that's going to create that question right after to make sure that they're paying attention, right? It gets them engaged. They're part of the lesson now rather than having them write it on a piece of paper or, just quizzing. You may just want to open a quiz, discussion, but here now they actually have to write it in. Okay, so now, here's some other metabolism, calories, carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates, okay, fiber. So again, this is a lot of direct instruction, and we want to take it and kind of morph that direct instruction and turn it into an engagement an activity. So maybe I just say, all right, it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're talking 6 slides. Great. Well, now I'm going to go and I'm going to create a matching pairs activity after fiber. We've talked kind of about, just carbohydrates. And so I think this is a good place to insert an activity. Match the term with its definition. And so I'm going to click on add pair, and I'm going to put in nutrition. And, and then I can take and I'm going to put in, actually not nutrition. I'm going to take and say calories. Okay. And then over here, I'm going to type in the amount. And you can copy and paste this from this, but because I don't have to pull up in another tab, I'm just going to type it because I can kind of see it over here on the left-hand side. The amount of energy released when nutrients are broken down. Or I could just say, the energy in food. Okay, and then I'm going to click on add another pair. Okay, and it's kind of cool, you can add images. I'm going to add carbohydrates. Okay. Made of carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. And this until I all my metabolism. And I feel this is one so and so carbohydrates, see here's the carbohydrates. So this is what you're going to do, and some more molecules, right? In this okay, and I'm going to save. And runs it to that part of my lesson. I'm here, fire, should add in fire. Well, so maybe go ahead and click ahead. That's on. That fire. So just okay, here on the side. And so just give the version about these other things we'll give you. I'm just like okay, now I'm going to add list of these. So I do another video just that. Alright, so we want to do a quiz or we hold a question and we can just do what it is. Okay, so done. Whoops. now we've discussed, I've given direct instruction about these different things. Now we're doing a little bit of a different thing, just as a knowledge check. Okay, so now I can look through and say, all right, fats. All right, look at some of these different things. So I could do maybe another activity on just fats. All right, so maybe I could do a quiz, okay, or maybe pull open-ended question. Okay, so maybe I think I'm just going to put in the quiz. Okay, and so we're defining that. Okay, so now I added a quiz here below fast record. But now I'm going to come down to these questions, and rather than just have them up on the board, let's go ahead and turn that into a quiz or even just a time to climb quiz. Or we can actually, for time's sake, maybe we just do a okay. Me a fill in the blank. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we click through and we've set up which words are going to be filled in that blank. Okay, and so now we are just going to go, so we can kind of see what that's going to look like. We're going to go save and go to Nearpod. Okay, now that we are in Nearpod, okay, we can see that it's saving. We're getting closer to having saved our Google slide into Nearpod. And so we're technically done with the Google slide, and we are just going to use this Nearpod. So we can either do a live participation where the teacher will show it in front of the whole class and the whole class will follow along, or if you wanted to give it as like homework, or if students miss, then you can change it to student-based. But as we preview and go through, now we can see that rather than just having a slideshow presented at the beginning of class, up in the front, now we have an interactive slideshow where students actually will engage with our lesson. Okay, and so these are the questions from nutrition, right? So there's video, using an interactive video, and we have these slides that give us the direct instruction. And now we have questions every so often, rather than one at the very end, and keeps them participating, engaged, and we're good to go. So if we click on the live participation, and we can share this with our class that way, or you can copy the link and post it in a Canvas or on a homepage or somewhere where students can access that. That's just as good as well. So there we go.